Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and properly remove all the side moldings on a Mercedes W210 Facelift. Whether you're preparing the car for painting, repairs, or replacing damaged trim pieces, this guide will help you do the job safely and easily. Let's start with the front door. First, remove this mounting screw using a regular screwdriver or a power drill. Once it's removed, you can see that the screw is fairly short. Now gently pull the molding toward yourself. As you can see, it comes off quite easily. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. These clips lock into the mounting points on the door, so by pulling the molding straight outward, the clips release from their holders. One important thing to keep in mind: if a previous owner used adhesive, silicone, or any kind of sealant behind the molding, it may be much harder to remove. In that case, work carefully to avoid damaging the clips or the molding itself. Now let's move to the rear door. The mounting screw is located on this side. Using a long screwdriver or a drill, remove the screw. After that, begin releasing the molding by pulling from the opposite side. Work your way along the molding and carefully unclip each retaining clip one by one. Avoid using excessive force, as the plastic clips can break over time. Next, I'll show you how to remove the front section of the molding. This part is even easier. Simply pull it straight toward yourself. If needed, you can carefully use a flathead screwdriver to help release it. This section uses straight clips, so it usually comes off without much effort. And that's it! Now you know how to quickly and safely remove the side moldings on a Mercedes W210 Facelift. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos in the playlist. You'll find plenty of useful Mercedes W210 repair and maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.